Ever wondered how some people have a magnetic charm that others can't resist? If you're watching this video, it means you're not just an average person. You're seeking to understand the subtle art of attraction and connection to stand out from the crowd. Today, we're diving into the psychology behind making anyone addicted to you. These strategies are grounded in psychological principles and can significantly enhance your interpersonal relationships. Let's get started. Number 1, be authentically confident. Confidence is incredibly attractive. When you're genuinely confident, you emit a positive energy that others are drawn to. Confidence isn't about being arrogant, it's about believing in yourself and your abilities. For example, when you walk into a room with your head held high and a genuine smile, people will naturally gravitate toward you. Think about someone you admire who exudes confidence. Their self-assuredness likely makes them magnetic. If you're at a social event and you approach people with a firm handshake, direct eye contact, and a smile, it conveys that you are comfortable in your skin, making others want to be around you. Number 2, show genuine interest. People love to feel valued and understood. Show genuine interest in others by asking thoughtful questions and actively listening to their responses. For example, if someone mentions they love hiking, ask about their favorite trails or recent adventures. This creates a connection and makes them feel important. You might say, "I've always wanted to try hiking. What's the most memorable hike you've done?" This not only shows you're listening, but also that you're interested in their passions. Listening intently and responding thoughtfully shows that you care about their experiences and perspectives. Number 3, use the power of compliments. A well-placed compliment can go a long way in making someone feel appreciated and drawn to you. Compliment genuinely and specifically, focusing on qualities or actions you truly admire. For instance, saying, "I really admire your dedication to your work," shows that you've noticed and appreciate their efforts, making them feel valued and understood. Instead of a generic compliment like, "You look nice," try something more specific like, "That color really brings out your eyes." Specific compliments demonstrate that you're paying attention to details, which makes your praise more meaningful. Number 4, mirror their behavior. Mirroring is a powerful psychological technique that involves subtly mimicking the other person's body language, tone of voice, and gestures. This creates a sense of familiarity and comfort. For example, if your conversation partner leans in, you can lean in slightly as well. This subconscious mimicry can build rapport and make them feel more connected to you. If they're speaking softly, you might lower your voice slightly to match their tone, creating a harmonious interaction. This technique works because it signals that you are in sync with the other person, fostering a sense of unity. Number 5, be mysterious. Leaving a little mystery can make people more intrigued and curious about you. Don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. Share interesting stories and experiences gradually. For instance, instead of sharing your life story in one go, drop hints and let the other person ask questions to learn more about you. You could say something like, "I had an interesting experience last summer, but I'll save that story for another time." This piques their curiosity and keeps them wanting to know more. Keeping some aspects of your life private can make you more intriguing and attractive. Number 6, use positive reinforcement. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel good about themselves. Use positive reinforcement to highlight their strengths and achievements. Compliment them sincerely and acknowledge their efforts. For example, saying, "I really admire how dedicated you are to your work," can boost their confidence and create a positive association with you. This technique is effective because it makes the other person feel valued and appreciated. Positive reinforcement encourages repeat behavior, making people more likely to seek your company. Number 7, create shared experiences. Shared experiences create lasting memories and strengthen bonds. Plan activities that you both enjoy or explore new interests together. For example, attending a concert of a band you both like or trying out a new hobby can create a special connection and make your time together memorable. These shared moments provide opportunities to bond and develop a deeper connection over common interests. Doing things together fosters a sense of partnership and camaraderie. Number 8, maintain a sense of humor. A good sense of humor is incredibly attractive. Laughter can break the ice and create a relaxed atmosphere. Don't be afraid to share funny stories or make lighthearted jokes. For instance, sharing a humorous anecdote from your day can make the other person laugh and feel more at ease around you. Humor also shows that you don't take life too seriously and can handle situations with a light heart. A shared laugh can quickly turn a casual acquaintance into a friend. Number 9, be reliable and trustworthy. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. Be reliable and keep your promises. When people know they can count on you, they feel secure and valued. For example, if you promise to help a friend with a project, make sure you follow through. Consistency builds trust and makes people feel more connected to you. Reliability shows that you are dependable, which is a highly valued trait in any relationship. Trustworthiness fosters deep, lasting connections. Number 10, show empathy. Empathy involves understanding and sharing the feelings of others. Show empathy by acknowledging their emotions and offering support when needed. For example, if someone is going through a tough time, simply saying, "I'm here for you," can provide comfort and strengthen your bond. Empathy demonstrates that you care about their well-being and are willing to support them through difficult times. Listening without judgment and offering a compassionate response can build a strong emotional connection. Number 11, be passionate. Passion is contagious. When you talk about something you're passionate about, your enthusiasm can inspire others and make you more attractive. For example, if you're passionate about music, sharing your favorite songs or discussing a recent concert can captivate the other person and spark their interest. Passion shows that you are engaged and invested in your interests, which can be incredibly appealing. Passionate people are often seen as more vibrant and engaging. Number 12, cultivate emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence involves being aware of and managing your own emotions, as well as understanding and influencing the emotions of others. This skill can help you navigate social interactions more effectively. For example, recognizing when someone feels uncomfortable and adjusting your behavior accordingly can make your interactions smoother and more enjoyable for both parties. High emotional intelligence can make you more adaptable and responsive to others' needs. Understanding emotional cues can enhance your communication and deepen your connections. Conclusion: building deep connections and making others feel a strong attraction towards you involves understanding and applying these psychological principles. By incorporating these 12 tips into your interactions, you can significantly enhance the quality of your relationships and create lasting bonds. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching!